Hi students. Now this question number 30 we will solve by the income method. In our previous video we had solved this question by expenditure method. So again we will write what we have to find. Number 1 is NDP MP question mark and second aggregate is NNP at factor cost. We shall know that what formula we use for income method and which aggregate we obtain when we use that formula. I think you remember that in income method we obtain the aggregate net domestic product at factor cost, and in expenditure method we get the formula with the aggregate GDP-NP, and in income method we get the formula for the aggregate NDP-FC. What the formula is? The formula is about the incomes, about the factor incomes of all factor of production. The factor income of labor is called compensation of employees. Are we given compensation of employees? We are given the components of compensation of employees. One of the component is wages and salaries. So I'll write number 2 here. It's a part of compensation of employees, a part of COE. Employers' contribution to social security schemes. We know that employees' contribution is not the part of compensation, while employers' contribution is the part. So we will add this third item also, plus third one. Then we shall see, are we given any other form of compensation? We are not given. So compensation of employees here. Okay. Okay. In short, I am writing the formula here as well, so that you can compare with that. Here I am writing the general formula. Compensation of employees plus mixed income of the self-employed, and I'm writing very general form, plus operating surplus. Operating surplus means rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit if it is given. Okay. So CO is done. Second and third, wages and salaries and employers' contribution to social security schemes. Then mixed income. Are we given mixed income? Yes, we are given. 15th item plus mixed income. If mixed income is not given to us in any question, then we can write 0 in place of mixed income. Then operating surplus, we are not directly given operating surplus, but we are given the components of operating surplus. The components are rent, interest, profit, royalty. So profit is here. So first I am writing profit, that is fifth one. Then I'll see rent is also there. That is ninth one. After rent, interest is also given. That is 12th one. And no royalty is given. So that's it. In this way, all the things have been written. Now we just have to put the values. Second is wages and salaries, that is 230 crores, plus third is employers' contribution to social security schemes, that is 200 plus 15. Mixed income, that is 380 plus 5. Profits 50 plus 9. Rent 70 plus 12. Interest 60. Now we simply have to add these things. 230, 200 is 430. 380, 50 is 430. And 430 plus 70 is 500 plus 60. 430 plus 560. 549990. 990 crore rupees. This is NDP at factor cost. We require NDP at market price and NNP at factor cost. So first we find this one, A part, NDP at market price. What we need to find, we write on the left hand side. What that we have obtained, that we write on the right hand side. So it is NDP FC. Now we have to convert this NDP FC to NDP NP. Both are net, no change. Both are domestic, no change. Factor to market price. Market includes indirect taxes, factor cost doesn't include. So we need to add indirect taxes. If we are given NIT, net indirect taxes, we will simply add NIT. But if we are given them separately, then we need to add indirect taxes. That is 18th item. And we need to subtract subsidies. That is 17th item. Whatever sign we write for indirect taxes, we write the opposite sign for the subsidies. NDPFC is 990. Then 18th item, that is indirect taxes, is 90. And 17th item, subsidies, is 10. So it is 990 plus 80. That is 1070 crore rupees. This is NDP MP part A 1070. By all the methods, we get the same result. That's it. Done. Now we have to find the second aggregate which was asked to us. That is NNPFC. To find it, either I can use this aggregate or I can use that aggregate. It's up to me. So whatever I can choose. Okay, let me take A, which I have obtained now. You can take NDPFC as well. So NDP MP I have chosen. That is already known to me. Okay. I think it was better to choose NDPFC because both are FC. Okay. You can take any one. I'm taking NDPFC. That will be more simple, but it will involve less calculation because both are at factor cost. Both are net also. Net, no change. Domestic to national, we will add net factor income from abroad. It is given here. Plus NFIA. Or I can write number 14 also. Plus NFIA. Factor, no change. So only this was to be done. NDPFC is 990. And net factor income from abroad is -5. So plus -5. Plus minus becomes minus 990 minus 5. That is rupees 985 crores. This is an NP at factor cost. This is our answer. Let us check it. Yes, it is the right answer. So in this way, we have solved this question by income method as well. In the previous video, we had solved it by the expenditure method. Fine. So in this way, it is done. In the next video, we will come with some other question. Bye.